Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Harris here. Here is your ancient Greece menu for Tuesday, June 2nd. So, right here, your drink for the day will be this video that you are watching now. It's a video of me going through this entire list. I'm also going to embed a couple of videos on this document that will be explaining the different questions that you're going to answer on Actively Learn. But first, let me show you your question of the day. So your question of the day is, when is telling a lie good? And then there's a second part to that question. And when is it a bad thing? So I want you guys to type in your responses into this box right here that says answer. You're going to answer, when is telling a lie good? And when is it a bad thing? And then, how are you doing during this time? Tell me your feelings. I know right now the world is really crazy. There's a lot of things going on with the Black Lives Matter movement, as well as the protests that are happening, as well as coronavirus that's happening too. The world's crazy, but I just want you guys to know I am here for you. Anytime you guys need to speak to me, just message me. I would love to communicate with you guys, but you're going to just type in your response of how you're doing during this time in this box. Then you're going to scroll to your main course. I will include on the left-hand side, there will be another box, and it'll be the video of me explaining this. So anything that is linked blue for the main course, that will take you directly to the Actively Learn article about the story of Prometheus and Pandora's box. So you're going to read ancient Greek mythology story about Prometheus and Pandora's box. I think it'll be really exciting. I think you guys will like it. It's a popular story, and you're going to see a lot of the connections in the real world that relate to this story. And then just a quick reminder, for this lesson, there are 5 questions on Actively Learn. You need to make sure you answer 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 questions on Actively Learn. Then your dessert. On the left-hand side, the yellow box, is a question asking, are there times when breaking rules or laws is the right thing to do? It relates to what you will be reading about in your Actively Learn article, but I want you to type your response in the purple box in 3 to 5 sentences. I want you to explain your reasoning of when there are times that breaking rules or laws is the right thing to do. I want you to tell me if you agree or disagree in the purple box. Then on the right-hand side, we have a little comic. As you're going to get older in school, you're going to be starting to analyze things called political cartoons, and this is one of them. But you're going to answer the question of what topics are they talking about in the cartoons below, and what do you know about the topic? So right here it says airport baggage inspection. And then right here it says Pandora's box, and these workers at this airport look a little concerned. So after reading the article, this will make a lot more sense. And I want you guys to give me your feelings and your reasoning of what this picture is doing for you guys in this purple box right here. So you're going to answer the question of what topics are they talking about in the cartoon below, and what do you know about this topic? But like I said, you're only going to pick one of the desserts, and it's based off of your main course, which is the story of Prometheus and Pandora's box. Now, if we scroll, I'm going to ask that you guys make sure that you have completed all of these steps. I need to update that part. But this is going to be due June 7th, I believe, 2020. So you need to make sure that you turn in this assignment by Sunday, June 7th by 5 p.m. We are almost done with school, boys and girls. We are almost to the finish line. I need you guys to make sure you try to stay on top of your work. If you can't, contact me and we'll work something out, but I need you guys to keep your learning going because my learning hasn't stopped and I want your guys' learning to continue as well. That's all for this video. Like I said, I'll be posting a couple of other videos on this document as well as in Google Classroom. So I think that's about it for right now. So peace out, Boy Scout, Girl Scouts. Miss you. Be safe. And I'm here for you in any way you need me.